Welcome to this video presentation here at Glenbourne's, and here we have the Volkswagen T-Roc convertible. It's on a 20 plate, as you can see. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it. From the outside, you can see it's a two-door car, of course, and a convertible with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside its boot space. First, as we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors and plenty of boot space as well. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls from there. Now that we've done a full circle of it though, you can see it's in fantastic condition the whole way. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials first of all. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter and coolant temperature gauge. On the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the centre, you can see the total miles of the car. They are 35,298. Above that, we have a digital readout for the speedometer. You can change information displayed there for various different things. We're on the driving data menu at the moment, but there are other menus available to you as well, all of which are accessed using the buttons over here. We have our stereo controls, which continue on the left hand side, along with cruise control, and if you press this button just here, adaptive cruise control. So this car is able to maintain its own distance between itself and the car in front, both speeding up and slowing down automatically depending on the car in front speed. Into the center, we have the main touch screen. So we're on the main menu here at the moment. You can swipe through anything that you see up on the screen. You can either tap on here or use the buttons down the right and left hand sides to enter those menus that way. When it comes to our radio in this car, we have AM, FM, DAB, internet radio. You can also then stream your own music, save your own music to the car, and we have Bluetooth audio. So once you pair up your phone, you'll be able to make and receive phone calls as well as streaming your music wirelessly. We've got satellite navigation, as you can see. You can pair up your phone for Apple CarPlay. And down the bottom here, we got a car status menu and back to that main menu again. At the very bottom, we've got a few things. So you can change the driving setup of the car. You can put it in eco, normal, sport, or individual. We can turn off the stop and start, the parking sensors as well. We can adjust the driver and passenger temperatures, the fan speed, the direction you'd like the air distributed in. Air conditioning is on in the car at the moment. That's off and back on again. Or you can hit auto. The car will now take full control for you to maintain the temperatures that you've asked for, and you can override that manually whenever you wish to. We have two USB-C inputs, some storage, 12-volt charging socket just there, the gear lever for the 6-speed manual gearbox, an electronic handbrake with an auto hold function, cup holders, and then controls for your windows and the roof, which I'm going to show you next. So all we need to do is push that button down for the roof. The first thing that will happen is the windows will lower ever so slightly. That is so that the roof can release and start folding back. And as you'll see, it's a very quick process to get the roof down in this car. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Glenbourne's. We'd love to hear from you.